Good morning, friends and family of Finance USA. Hey, just sitting here in my office, just having coffee, and wanted to just kind of think about the day and just things that are out there that technology wise that are designed to help us. And one of the things that we can do is we can close your loan in your home, and you don't even need anybody there to you can close it online. So virtual e-closings, we have that. You don't need somebody showing up to your house. You can go ahead and be able to do that in the safety of your own home, and that is miraculous technology. um, you still need to have your driver's license and you still need to have certain things, but all that stuff will be scanned on screen. It's just incredible stuff. But guess what? It protects you, our customers. So, and that leads me into going back to the refis and thinking about, having 6 months mortgage payment in the bank, which I think really should be a staple. I've been in this business 30 years. 30 years ago, 6 months in the bank was a minimum. I mean, that was always that's what it was. I'm not so sure people have 6 months in the bank anymore, and that's scary when we go through a time like this to get us through these short periods of time. But if we have a product that we can go to 95% cash out on, so if you haven't been in your home for a little bit of time, you might be able to still be able to do that with a refinance and pull the cash out, or maybe you have enough money coming in, but you need to restructure. What would if you could restructure and cut your payments down by 600, 800, $1,000. I mean, I'm depending on what your situation. What would that do for your finances? Not only that, your first payment could be due in 45 days, maybe 60 days out, depending on when you close, and that would just carry you through even more so without payments for that period of time. And then your first payment comes due, and hopefully it's around equal or lower than what you already have. But our loan officers can work these numbers, get you what would be best for you, and then you can make an educated decision on whether or not it would be good for you. I do want to touch base on. I know a lot of people are hearing about these forbearances. Again, we want you to have some good, solid information. Finance USA is concerned about this because I think the forbearance thing seems to be an easy, attractive thing, and it is, but it's designed to help for those people that are absolutely hurting. That's the spirit of the forbearance, and Fannie Mae will accept up to 4 months of that. But again, it's for those people that have lost their jobs. They can't make their payments. They need this. They need this gift. But if you can make your payment, please, by all means, make your payment. Um, don't do that to yourself, because there are some guidelines that you have to follow if you go into forbearance. So if you're not in a position, or if you are in a position to do your mortgage payment, our advice to you is make your mortgage payment. Um, you know, so at Finance USA, I will tell you, rates are so low right now. They're just we're seeing record book low rates. Money, I said this before. I always say this: money is so cheap right now. Um, you could really possibly maybe even keep your payment the same if you cash out or close to it. You might even be able just to refinance your mortgage and lower your mortgage payment to a point that would assist you in cutting the edge off the pressure of the bills. And again, your first payment might be 45, 60 days out. So something to think about. Hope that's good information. Please give us a call. Our loan officers are here to help. There's no money up front. Call us. Let us talk to you. Let us get you some great information. But we do appreciate you all. We just pray every day that everybody stays safe. We pray the C-19 thing just leaves this country quickly and the world and never comes back. But there's going to be a time for that season. It will happen, just probably not as quickly as we would all like. But, miracles can happen every once in a while. But anyways, thank you very much. Have a great weekend. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.